everyone, and welcome back. So today I had a craving for Chinese and I just didn't feel like going to the restaurant. So today we're having pepper steak stir fry. So let's get our ingredients. For our pepper steak stir fry, we're going to need the following: some vegetable oil, red and green bell peppers, some flank steaks thinly sliced, minced garlic, ginger, soy sauce, sugar, and cornstarch. So let's get our vegetables prepped. So the first thing we need to do is get our bell peppers sliced up. So we're going to cut off the tops and the ends. And we're going to cut them open in half and then clean them out. There we go. We're going to cut these pieces in half and half again, and then we're going to cut them into thin slices. So I'm going to get these all sliced up and then I'll be right back. Alright, so we're down to our last slice of bell peppers. Alright, so we're going to set these over here to the side. So now we need to get us our ginger. So I've got some ginger root here and we're going to peel it. Cut off the end and clean up our workspace a little bit. And then we've got our grater. And we're just going to grate our fresh ginger. And we're only going to need a couple of teaspoons for this, so it shouldn't take that long. Alright, so that looks to be about a couple of teaspoons. So we're going to get that and put that in our little dish. And let's move on to getting our sauce ready. For our sauce, we are going to need some water, some soy sauce, and just so you know, I am making a double batch of the sauce because I tend to find, I don't know why, I just really like this soy sauce blend. Then we're going to add in our sugar and our cornstarch. Now be careful with the cornstarch because it is a lot like powdered sugar. It will go everywhere. So we're going to give that a good mix. Until it's all smooth and there are no clumps. And there we go. No clumps. All right, so now let's move over and start cooking. All right, so we've got us a pan heated up over medium-high heat. So to this we are going to add in our peppers. And we are going to cook these for about 3 to 5 minutes till they're tender while we continue to stir them so they don't burn. Alright, so this has been going for about 5 minutes now. And we're going to go ahead and pull these off and set them to the side. Probably be a lot easier just to dump them on the bowl. Yep, sure was. Alright, so we're going to set these to the side. We're going to bring over our beef. And we may have to cook these in batches, but we'll see. Yeah, it looks like we're going to probably be best to cook them in batches. So, and as always, remember when we are working with raw meat, we do want to wash our hands before and after. So, we're going to get to cooking this up, and we're going to do this about 3 to 5 minutes so it's got a nice brown color, and then we're going to keep moving on. All right, so our last batch is cooked, and we're going to add in the first batch into the pot. And to this, we're going to add in our ginger and our garlic. And we're going to give this a toss. Get that all mixed in. And we're going to let this cook up for about a minute. And then we're going to add our peppers back in. Yeah, you can smell the ginger and the garlic already. Alright, so we're going to add our peppers back in. Give that a good stir. And now we're going to add in our sauce. We need to make sure we scrape up the bottom and get everything out. And we're going to give this a stir. Make sure we get everything coated. And then we're going to let this cook for about 3 to 5 minutes till the sauce starts to thicken. Alright, as you can see, the sauce has gotten nice and thick. Give that a good stir. Alright then, so let's get over and get this plated up with some rice, and we're going to have lunch. Alright, so everything's ready. We've got us some rice right here, so we're going to get us a scoop of rice. Now we're going to get us some of those peppers. Try and not make a mess with this today. And there we go. Alright, looks delicious. So I hope everyone enjoyed the video. Remember, new videos are posted every Tuesday at 4 p.m. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, enjoy.